If you were scanning your diesel truck or car and P20C1 pops up, you are dealing with an open circuit in your reductant heater C. This is pretty similar to other heater codes, but the words open circuit give us a massive clue. It basically means the electrical connection is completely broken, like a bridge that has collapsed. The computer tries to send a signal to heater C, which is responsible for keeping your diesel exhaust fluid from turning into a block of ice, but it gets zero response back. Without this heater working, your SCR system cannot function properly, especially in cold weather, and that means your vehicle puts out harmful nitrogen oxide emissions. The computer will not like that, and it will likely derate your engine or disable the vehicle entirely if you do not fix it. You might notice heavy black smoke or just a gutless feeling when you hit the gas. To tackle this, you need to find the specific heater labeled C in your service manual. Usually these are in the reservoir or the supply line. Since the code says open, you are hunting for a break. Start by crawling under there and looking at the wiring harness. Is a wire snapped? Is a connector unplugged or corroded? That is the most common cause. If the wires look solid, grab your digital multimeter. You need to disconnect the harness at the heater and check for power and ground coming from the vehicle side. If you have power getting there, then the break is inside the heater itself. Test the heater pins for continuity. If your meter shows infinite resistance, that internal heating element is snapped, and you will need to replace that heater unit. However, if there is no power reaching the connector, you have to trace that wire back toward the controller or check your fuses. It's a bit of electrical hide and seek, but finding that broken link is the only way to get your rig back to full power and keep that dreaded check engine light off.